That's RTV.
It was something I was meaning to talk about, but wasn't really sure. People just appreciate your life, man. Appreciate all the good things you have going about your life. Even if you don't realize that you might have something going for you, there's always something you have going for you, man. Just appreciate your life and all the beauty that surrounds us and all the. Even if you might not realize that there's people that love you, there's always people that love and care for you and have your best interest in mind. And it's dismal as life may seem sometimes. And we always get down on ourselves. Just have faith in something. You don't have to necessarily believe in a God or a higher power. Just have faith in something and invest your faith into that, and something will transpire, and you'll become a happier person as a result. RTV.